Constitutional Lawyer Loani Henao knows the Constitution back to front. He was instrumental in winning the Organic Law on Political Parties case with then Western Province Governor Bob Denaya, allowing for MPs to switch parties. Now he's on a mission to prove that the government of Papua New Guinea acted in haste when it signed the $3 billion Kina UBS loan. At this media conference, he is speaking on behalf of his client, SEC Treasurer Don Polye, who was unable to attend.
All loans and any revenues acquired internally or overseas are to be paid into the consolidated revenue funds. And out of that fund, the Parliament appropriates for various projects, for road projects, or education, hospital, or etc., etc.
And he said the working of the Sovereign Wealth Fund is an area of concern, especially with the first flow of the revenue expected in the near future. It's feared if no proper mechanisms are in place, it exposes the government to possible malpractices and misappropriation of funds. Section 13 of the Organic Law on the Sovereign Wealth Fund 2012 directs all PNG LNG dividends to be paid into the Development Fund, while Section 211 of the Loans Overseas Borrowings Act 1976 prescribes that all payments of principal and interest and other charges payable under a loan agreement shall be made out of the Consolidated Revenue Fund.
You can't have a situation where the government of the day, whether it's a government of today or in future, be allowed to use its powers and authority to go outside the Constitution and deal with the funds, monies belonging to the people. That's Mr. Polye's concern.
And those being served by Mr. Polye include the state, Oil Search for the 10.1% shareholding by the government, and the Australian UBS Bank. Mr. Henao was asked what would happen in the event he won the case against the fact that the loan agreement was already signed. This is what he had to say.
It's not a situation where I do not think that the parties who have been involved will say that it doesn't matter. We've done everything. It doesn't matter. I do not think that the parties who have been involved in this loan agreement can say that in the event the Supreme Court rules in Mr. Polye's favor.
Constitutional Lawyer Loani Henao is confident of a successful case against the state, Oil Search and the UBS Bank. But the question is, how soon will the proceedings be completed?